This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Montilia. This tastefully updated and furnished end-unit 3-bedroom condo in Island Sound 2 is the perfect Florida getaway. This lovely home offers numerous upgrades including luxury vinyl plank flooring, gorgeous light fixtures, and crown molding and plantation shutters throughout. The fabulous kitchen offers granite one-level counters, LG stainless steel appliances, and an attractive backsplash. The open floor plan allows for fun and easy entertaining. Retreat to the primary suite, with wood-style tile flooring, an updated bath with granite counters and frameless glass shower door, and access to the lanai. The third guest bedroom features a sensational custom-built Murphy twin bed system, making the space flexible to use as an office and bedroom. Escape and relax on the tranquil, private lanai and enjoy the spectacular sunsets. Other updates include new HVAC West/ultraviolet system 2022, Wi-Fi thermostat 2022, water heater 2020, and slider genius on lanai doors 2022. This condo is just steps away from the neighborhood pool, as well as the racquet center, river club, fitness center, and Estero River access. Nothing to do but move in and enjoy. If you are looking for an active lifestyle, look no further. 27 holes of championship golf, 14 pickleball, 8 tennis and 6 bocce courts. State-of-the-art fitness center that is professionally staffed. Pelican Sound is nestled up to the Estero River with access to the Gulf of Mexico. The community offers dry boat storage, kayaks, canoes and paddleboarding, along with a shuttle boat to Lovers Key State Beach Park. Minutes from RSW International Airport and surrounded by fabulous shopping and restaurants. Start living the dream. For more information, review the details below.